If your body feels stiff when you wake up, if simple movements feel harder than before, and you wonder if this is just aging, stay with me. Today, I will show you gentle, safe movements that help your body feel steadier, younger, and more confident without pain or rushing. This is for you. If you are over 60, please hear this. You are not weak. You are not broken. Stiffness comes from less movement, not from failure. Many seniors feel afraid to exercise, afraid of falling, afraid of pain. That fear is real. So today we move slowly. You stay in control. Even watching is helping your body and mind. You are safe here. I have worked with many older adults of all ages. Science shows the body can improve at any age. Gentle movement helps joints. Slow strength helps muscles. Kind balance training improves stability. Nothing today is forced. You may sit, stand, or rest anytime. These 5 exercises are safe, proven, and designed to help you move better and stay independent. Let us begin together. Exercise 1. Joint awakening for the neck and spine. Before we think about strength or balance, we must gently wake the body. This first exercise is designed to calm the nervous system and prepare the joints for movement. Many older adults carry stiffness in the neck and upper spine without realizing it. This stiffness can affect posture, breathing, balance, and even confidence while walking. That is why we begin here slowly and with care. You may sit comfortably in a chair with your feet flat on the floor, or stand while holding a stable support. There is no right or wrong position as long as you feel safe and relaxed. Begin by lifting your chin very slowly toward the ceiling. Do not force the movement and do not rush. Imagine you are creating space in the front of your neck. Pause briefly and notice how your body feels. Then gently lower your chin toward your chest. Again, there is no need to push. This small movement helps improve circulation to the neck and the brain. Many seniors report feeling lighter, clearer, and more relaxed after just a few repetitions. This is a sign that your body is responding positively. Next, we add gentle rotation. Slowly turn your head to the right as far as is comfortable. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your breathing steady. Return your head to the center and pause. Then, slowly turn your head to the left and come back to center again. These movements help reduce stiffness, improve posture, and support better head control during daily activities. Take your time here. This is not exercise for effort, but exercise for awareness. Stay with me because this gentle start prepares your body for the work your legs are about to do. Exercise 2, leg strength and circulation. Now that your upper body feels warmer and more relaxed, we move our attention to the legs. Your leg muscles are essential for independence. They help you stand, walk, climb stairs, and sit down safely. This exercise is simple but very powerful when done regularly. Sit tall in a sturdy chair with your back supported and your feet resting comfortably on the floor. Place your hands on your thighs or on the sides of the chair for support. Slowly lift one foot a few inches off the floor. Hold it gently in the air for a brief moment and then lower it back down with control. Switch to the other foot and repeat the same movement. There is no need to lift high. Even a small lift activates important muscles in the thighs and hips. These muscles play a key role in balance and walking stability. If you begin to feel tired, that is completely normal. Fatigue does not mean harm. It means your muscles are waking up and learning to work again. Rest whenever you need to and continue at your own pace. Over time, these movements help improve circulation, reduce heaviness in the legs, and build strength in a safe way. Stronger legs support safer walking and greater confidence. In the next part of our journey, we will gently explore balance together. As you practice these first 2 exercises, remember that consistency matters more than intensity. Gentle daily movement teaches the body that it is safe to move again. Progress may feel slow, but every repetition builds trust between your mind and muscles. This foundation makes later balance work easier and more comfortable. Take pride in beginning this journey patiently and kindly, because these early steps support long-term mobility independence and calm confidence for your daily life. Exercise 3. Balance and brain connection. Balance is not only a physical skill, it is also a conversation between your body and your brain. As we grow older, this connection can become quieter, especially if we move less or feel afraid of falling. Today, we gently remind your nervous system that it can still guide you safely. Please stand near a wall, counter, or sturdy chair so you feel supported and calm before beginning. Place your feet hip-width apart and allow your arms to rest naturally by your sides. Slowly shift your body weight onto your right foot. There is no need to lift the other foot completely. Simply feel the pressure change. Pause for a moment and breathe. Then slowly shift your weight onto your left foot and pause again. Move like a pendulum, slow, steady, and relaxed. This simple side-to-side movement wakes up balance receptors in your feet, ankles, hips, and inner ears. At the same time, your brain practices staying calm while your body changes position. Many seniors notice that after a few days of practicing this exercise, they feel more confident standing, walking, and turning. Confidence is just as important as strength when it comes to preventing falls. If you feel unsteady at any moment, lightly touch your support and continue. There is no shame in using help. Safety always comes first. Take a deep breath here and notice how grounded you feel. This awareness prepares your upper body for the next gentle movement, where we release tension that often hides in the shoulders. Exercise 4. Upper body mobility and posture. The shoulders and upper back carry more stress than we realize. Over time, this can pull the body forward, restrict breathing, and make movements feel heavier. This exercise helps open the chest, improve posture, and create a sense of ease. You may sit or stand comfortably, whichever feels best for you today. Let your arms hang loosely at your sides without effort. Slowly roll your shoulders backward in a smooth circular motion. Imagine you are drawing soft circles in the air behind you. After one gentle roll, allow your shoulders to relax completely. Then repeat the movement again at your own pace. There is no rush and no force. As your shoulders roll back, your chest opens and your breathing becomes deeper. This improves oxygen flow and reduces tension in the upper back and neck. If you feel tightness or mild discomfort, that is very common and usually fades with practice. Always stay within a comfortable range and stop if you feel pain. Good posture supports balance, digestion, breathing, and even mood. Standing taller can help you feel more confident and youthful from the inside out. Stay with me because the final movement will gently bring your whole body together and help everything we have practiced today feel complete and connected. These movements may appear small, yet they send powerful messages to your body. Each slow shift and gentle roll improves coordination, awareness, and trust. When the brain feels safe, the muscles respond with better control. Practicing daily, even for a few minutes, helps create routine and reassurance. Over time, movements that once felt uncertain become familiar and easier. This is how progress feels calm, steady, and respectful. Remember, you are not training for speed or perfection. You are training for comfort, safety, and independence. Give yourself patience, kindness, and time. Your body is learning again, and that learning never expires. It continues to adapt, respond, grow stronger, wiser, and more confident with gentle care. Every single day ahead, always. Exercise 5. Full body stability and confidence. This final movement brings everything together that you have practiced so far. Your neck is relaxed, your legs are awake, your balance system is engaged, and your posture is more open. Now we gently combine these parts into one simple, coordinated action. This exercise can be done seated or standing, depending on how your body feels today. Both options are effective and safe. Begin by slowly marching in place. If you are seated, lift one knee at a time, just a small distance from the floor. If you are standing, hold a chair or wall and lift one foot, then the other. Move slowly and with control. Allow your arms to swing gently at your sides if that feels comfortable. There is no need to lift high or move fast. The goal is smooth rhythm, not effort. This movement trains coordination between your arms, legs, and brain. It teaches your body how to shift weight safely while staying balanced. Many seniors notice that walking begins to feel steadier and more natural after practicing this exercise regularly. Each gentle step sends a message to your nervous system that movement is safe and manageable. Focus on your breathing as you march. Inhale calmly and exhale slowly. This helps your body stay relaxed and confident. If you feel tired, simply pause and rest. Even a few steps are enough to create benefit. Take a deep breath here and notice how your body feels. You've completed the full sequence. You showed patience, focus, and care for yourself today. These small moments of movement build strength, confidence, and independence over time. You've done something meaningful for your health and your future. Carry this calm energy with you as you move through the rest of your day. If you stayed with me until now, I am proud of you. You chose movement over fear, care over giving up, hope over hesitation. Your body listened today. Your joints moved. Your muscles woke up. This is how aging slows down, not with force, but with consistency. Every small movement is a message to your body. I still matter, and you do. Thank yourself for this time. Move gently for the rest of the day. Drink some water, and come back whenever your body needs kindness. In our next video, we will focus on reducing knee pain and walking more comfortably. Until then, take care of yourself. You are doing better than you think.